Now let's try something completely new. Let's imagine you want your X constructor to be a web application. How to create web application expense tracker. So before asking to change your code or generate something for you, nice to have some conversation, like asking how to do something or plan something. Because if you start typing code, if you start generating code, you can miss different options how to reach your goal. So we asked how to create web application and not asking to create it for now. And we see the options. So we can create web applications, and for that we need to use web technologies. Main steps: web framework. For Java, it can be Spring Boot, and front-end framework like React, Angular, or plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So we can create it with Java, but Java will be responsible for backend part. And we can build front end. And now the question, if we want to use Spring Boot or you prefer another stack. As I'm familiar with Spring Boot, I can select this option, but you can go another direction. Use Spring Boot and time leave. Read carefully everything that chat provide to you. Use AI or Google all technologies that agent provides to you. Okay, now it asks if I want to use in-memory list or database. I want database. Current workspace. So we now, what we are doing, we now change our project a lot because it was Java plain project, and now we convert it to Maven project. If you're just learning Java, it can be too much for you, but at least it will show you the direction, what to learn next. If you want to create web application, you need to learn all mentioned technologies here, and that can be your development plan. Like, okay, if I need a Maven and Spring and so on for creating web applications, I can start learning everything. Now, Copilot added everything we need in our project, and we have a button here, Load Maven Project. Let's see this summary, created POM to set up Spring Boot project with dependencies, web, time leaf, Spring Data GPA, and H2 database. Next, Java classes, model, repository, MVC controller, templates, list, add and edit, and application properties with database configuration. Okay, so let's try to run this application. And first, let's review what we have now. So let's close all tabs here and start reviewing our project structure. So we have POM file. To understand what is this, we need to learn Maven. And here we have Maven tab. we can sync button here, so we can sync, and we see some options here. And now we're resolving dependencies because we use a lot of different libraries here. Let's continue review. So now we have a source folder with expense that we saw before. That's our previous attempt and our main. Okay, so now I see that from this iteration we have only this POM file added, and that's planned for the next iteration. Let's continue in the next video.